Older to order. Batteries not included.
If you've ever had to clean out your clogged shower drain, then you know how gross and disgusting that glob of wet hair can be. Well, never again. The solution is finally here. Introducing DrainWig. With DrainWig, you'll never have to worry about a clogged
Civil emergency message for Cook County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cook County Department of Emergency Management and Regional Security. Due to the severe weather that has impacted Cook County this evening, the Cook County Department of Emergency Management and Regional Security is requesting that all non-essential persons stay off the roads, and for residents to continue to remain in their shelters until it is deemed safe to leave your shelters. Cleanup crews along with search and recovery teams are on scene, and they need all roads to be clear and available to access all damaged areas throughout the county. In addition, emergency services are currently overwhelmed and may not be able to respond to any non-life-threatening emergencies immediately.
In a world with billions of inventions, you're gonna need all your favorite characters. Gamefly. You can ask your parents to go to Gamefly.com to get 1 month free. Product show rated E for everyone. Must be 18 or older to order.
Voted Product of the Year, it's Snackies. Hold your drink and the snacks you